Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect ClickUp to Slack, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect ClickUp to Slack, start by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigate to your workspace settings. Locate the Integrations tab in the sidebar. Click on the Slack integration option. You will see a button to connect to Slack. Click on the Connect button. A new window will open prompting you to log into your Slack account. Enter your Slack credentials and authorize ClickUp to access your workspace. Select the Slack workspace you want to connect to ClickUp. Choose the specific channels you want ClickUp notifications to be sent to. You can customize which actions you want ClickUp to notify Slack about. After making your selections, click Save Changes. Now, return to your ClickUp workspace. You can test the integration by creating a new task. Watch for notifications to appear in your selected Slack channels. If you want to set up additional notifications, repeat the process. Explore more options in the integration settings to tailor your experience. Congratulations, you have successfully connected ClickUp to Slack. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.